Okay, so here is your new phone. So standard flip phone, nothing too fancy here. The first thing we need to do is to put the battery into the phone. So the front part of the phone, the top of the phone, you can see the screen right here. And on the back side, we need to take off the back cover. So on the lower left by the green dot, there is a little notch where you can pry off the back cover. So you can pull here and just kind of work your way around, and the back cover will come off just like that. So this is what your battery looks like. And what you want to do is take these three gold contacts right up here at the top, and you want to align those with the top part of the phone right in this area. So those three gold contacts. So take your battery, and then you can just slide it in like this. Again, the gold contacts at the top, matching those three. Slide it in, and you're in. And then just put the cover back on. So you can just put it on top and then just start pressing around the perimeter to lock it in. And that's how you put your battery in.